Let's talk about crypto passive income and how you can actually generate quite significant passive income using crypto affiliate programs. So a lot of people tend to shy away from the cryptocurrency space because they think they need quite a lot of capital to get started. But in fact, you can actually help the ecosystem develop, helping other platforms scale and earn rewards in actual cryptocurrencies and be able to actually get some revenue that way. So these are lucrative avenues for people that are interested in this booming sector. So whether you're a content creator or just a KOL or social media personality or someone who just likes to network and market and things like that, you can promote crypto platforms, wallets, etc., and make some money for yourself. If you kind of like the kind of content on this channel, like, share, subscribe, but also head on over to our main site, decentralised-news. Okay, the first crypto platform I would suggest you look into to promote and earn some money with their affiliate program is MEXC, which is a great exchange, especially for people who like to trade altcoins. You can get up to 70% plus in commissions and 10% for your sub affiliates as well. They pay you in cryptocurrency, and MEXC itself is a versatile cryptocurrency exchange that offers you this great affiliate program, which is high earning in terms of the commission tier that you can get. And also they have a very advanced portal for tracking and customizing your campaigns, and also good support for global affiliates. I would recommend you check out MEXC, get started with the link in the description to get yourself involved. Okay, the second one I would say is Binance. Also does have a good affiliate program. You can earn up to 50% in commissions. Usually the cookie duration date is about 90 days. Payment methods are into your Binance wallet. Obviously, it's the largest cryptocurrency exchange. So, you know, if you want to promote globally, if you've got a global platform, or even if you want to promote it locally, it offers you a top tier affiliate program. And, you know, the platform does support over 500 cryptocurrencies. So if people trade, they will be able to earn you some passive income. So go check out Binance. The link is down below. Bybit is also a great platform to definitely get involved with in the affiliate program. Commissions up to 45% and 10% for your sub affiliates. They pay you in crypto. A fast growing derivatives exchange, user-friendly, competitive affiliate awards and rewards, and up to 50% of trading fees, and, you know, quite good for supporting you, as you also get a dedicated affiliate manager as well. So check out Bybit. The link is down below. OKX also offers you a good affiliate program where you can earn up to 50% in your affiliate commission rates. And, you know, it's a lifetime commission affiliate program, you know, hourly payout system as well, which is quite great. A real-time performance tracking and sub affiliate management for your added earnings as well. Go check out OKX. The link is down below. Changely, they also have a good affiliate program, 50% of transaction fees you earn, and very popular for instant crypto swaps, supporting over 400 cryptocurrencies. The affiliate program is very flexible. Content creators, performance marketers, two model of the program, rev share and CPI, okay, CPA, and also on-demand payment options available, dedicated affiliate support and marketing resources available to you. Go check it out and get started with Changely. The link is down below. Also, D-Bridge, one of my favorite cross-chain bridging platform. It offers you 25% of points earned by your referrals. Points are also convertible to future crypto in future phases of the airdrop. I did get the first airdrop. I'm in the points, the round 2 now, just farming that. So it's a cross-chain messaging protocol that rewards affiliates with points based on user activity. So go check out the bridge. The link is down below. BitUnix, one of my recently kind of favorite exchanges in terms of just a good interface, up to 20% for referrals as well. And you also get a nice global partner recruitment program and an ambassador program designed to really incentivize community building and content creation, and also just regional promotion. So you can earn up to $3,000 in monthly fees as a partner, and also you can get support for spot and derivatives markets and special rewards for ambassadors who create impactful content. So BitUnix, definitely one of those to check out. PrimeXBT, great platform here. Why join PrimeXBT? It specializes in leverage trading, applying its platform for use by professional traders who are looking for high risk, high rewarding opportunities. You can get up to 70% of trading fees with them, and you get paid in crypto as well. They've got a multi-tier affiliate program, which is great. And it's a platform that's focused on advanced trading. So if you've got high volume traders, you can earn good money with PrimeXBT. Check out the link down below. Okay, KuCoin also has its own affiliate program. So the commission rate is up to 50% on trading fees. You're paid in crypto, and also as an affiliate with an maybe if you've got an audience that's interested in altcoins, this is great. High commission payouts for top performers as well. Bitrefill is also one of those you can check out. It also offers you, the platform allows users to buy gift cards and mobile top-ups using cryptocurrencies. Really one of the good crypto use cases or practical uses of crypto. And you can get up to 1% per transaction, and it's paid in Bitcoin every 30 days. So it's quite a great affiliate program that they've got there. And then you've got MEXC, also a platform where it's about crypto lending and high interest accounts and instant loans and stuff like that. So you can earn up to 30% interest that's earned by MEXC. And eToro also has a competitive partner program where you can get $200 CPA for each qualified trader, and it's paid in fiat though, so it depends on the jurisdiction that you're in. eToro, the links down below, and also Ledger, which is the #1 cold wallet storage application. You can go check out up to 10% yes, for every sale of people that you recommend to get a Ledger wallet paid in fiat in crypto, and great brand, strong credibility. And then you can also check out BitGet. Okay, the link is down below. Commission rates up to 50% of trading fees paid in crypto. Affiliate traders focusing on advanced tools is something that is a good platform for you to push if you've got that kind of audience. Go check out BitGet. Crypto.com, it's been around. It's also got a good affiliate program, up to 50% on transactions. It's paid in CRO token though. So, additional bonuses and, for high performers as well. So that's something you can get into. But how do you actually choose the best crypto affiliate program? Obviously, you have to look at the commission rate in terms, opt for programs that have competitive rates and clear payout terms, of course. And you want platforms that are credible and have a good reputation and that are easy to use. So, it's easy to onboard your users, and also they provide you with some marketing resources, right? Some help. And also they have good payment options in terms of paying you as an affiliate. So go check out all of these platforms. The links are down below. Check out my links to my books, all my favorite exchanges. And also don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Go to our main site, decentralised-news, the best cryptocurrency exchange reviews, DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces. Let's go.